Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane. And yeah, okay, so let's get this started. Okay, so um this is how you make a paper airplane, and here's the steps to doing it. So all you gotta do is grab a sheet of paper like this. So what you first do, you fold that like a taco. Then you come around to this side right here. Fold that nice and neat. So you fold that. Do the same thing on the other side. And fold this. And then when you're done, then you fold this part like this. And then do the same on the other side. Like that. You see what I'm doing? So just fold it. And then you have it like this. Then the next step is to bring this side. So bring this side over. So then you bring this side over. Then you fold this. And then fold the back of the paper. And then when you're done with that, then here's the final step of making the paper airplane. Okay, so this is what you do. Then you come around. Wait, fuck. Then you come around to this side. Then you fold that like so. Then you fold that like so. And then when you're done, do the same thing on the other side. Fuck. You do the same thing on the other side. Like this. And then, voila. You got yourself a perfectly good paper airplane. Alright, let's see if this thing flies. Yep, it flies. So alright guys, this is Evan signing off, and I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye-bye.